guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this out of the frame video effect on CapCut PC. Select your video and you're just going to select the mask button, select the circle or any shape you want, like this heart one for instance, adjust it, and then you're just going to copy and paste that, and on the second video select cutout and select auto cutout. Then select the mask button and you're just going to select the circle one and move it up here so it shows that she's kind of out of the frame. If you wanna, you can move it down a little bit and kind of adjust it like so. Feather that out if you want to. And you can also add a frame, an outer frame. I'm actually not going to feather that out, and I'm going to go back to media and I'm going to add this underneath, just to add something. And then I'll select the heart shape again and create that frame and just move it down there. I'm just going to also add in another background for the video. You can actually use the canvas, but I'm just going to use this method. If I can just move this up, there you go. And I'm also going to feather this out. You don't have to, but I'm just going to do that. And that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!